Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. My name is Terza Andrews, and this morning I wanted to stop by and talk to you all about a situation that happened to me. But if you're watching this video after it's been recorded, please take a moment to put in the comments section hashtag replay, and then you can give other comments as well. So again, this is Terza Andrews, and I wanted to come on and give you all just a little bit of feedback. Good morning, about something that happened to me concerning my account. And so I wanted to talk to you all. I couldn't get the video to work on my computer, so I'm having a little bit of issues, but I'm here, and I'm here to give you some valuable information about what I did in my account information when I thought it was my affiliate account had been compromised. So tell everybody, come on over there, listen to Sister Terza this morning. She is, good morning, Kenneth, good morning, Smiley, good morning, everybody. What had transpired with my account, I had my bank information stolen from me from my computer. So before I get into all of that, I wanted to talk to you all, and I'm sorry about looking back and forth at you because I'm looking at my PowerPoint presentation and I'm actually going back and forth. I tried to do it on my computer and of course it wouldn't work. So anyway, but I still want to give you all this information because whenever something like this happens, you can panic. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my presentation real quick, and hopefully it won't take about 5 minutes of your time this morning. So if you're watching this after the replay, after the actual play of this video, live video, go back and put hashtag replay. So learn how to fix a common HB, home-based business affiliate issue. So this is the thing. We already know that the most common challenges that people have already with starting a home-based business is that they're freaking out because they don't have any skill sets. That was me. Quitting before you get started. I've tried multi-level marketing. I've tried pyramid platforms. I've tried all these types of things. But with the company that I'm with now, the platform that I'm with now with SSM, what I've done is I've learned how to earn money while I'm learning what I'm trying to do. So one of the other common challenges that people have with starting a home-based business is they're not earning any money at all. And I've been in this platform since it's been about 10 weeks, and I've earned $1,800 since I've been there, $1,850. And so people are worried about wasting their time and everything like that. But with SSM, what I've learned is I take the information that I'm learning and I apply it to my business. And so what I want you all to do is to remember that I know that you already have common issues. I know you don't have skill sets. I know that you're wanting to quit before you get started. And even those that are viewing this and you're with SSM, I want you to know that you don't quit. You just stay in there. You keep giving all that you have. I know some of you are not tech savvy like myself. I type with the wrong fingers, okay? And so we don't have to deal with people giving us false promises, because in other companies, they're giving you false promises. They're actually telling you you're going to do this and that. Everything that we do is based on our efforts. We have to be the first partakers of our own success by doing the due diligence and doing the work. You have to put in the work in order for you to succeed in this company. So you want to make sure that you're not connected with a system that you're paying for traffic that you're not getting results from. In this company, this platform, we're able to get responses back from our traffic, and that's a beautiful thing, because you don't want to waste your money. I had made a post about wasting your time and wasting your money, and you don't want to do that. You want to invest your money into your business, and you want to make sure that what you're doing is going to get you some results. So you want results. And so what happened to me this week is that actually a couple of days ago, what happened was I used my my cards. For my sake, what happened was they on my computer, they said that somebody went into the system. My bank had called me, and it was like, ring, ring, hello. This is Mrs. Andrews. Yes, it is. Could you confirm your information for me? I confirmed the information. And they said, did you make a purchase at such and such and such this morning? I said, no. Did you make a purchase at such and such? No. So twice they took a large amount of money out of my account. And so thankfully, I'm connected with my bank that will call you if they see some information missing from your account. So what I did was, first of all, I panicked. I was like, oh, Lord, what about my affiliates account? What happens if they get into my account or things like that? So what I did was, I called, I messaged a coach, and I think I asked Monica, if I'm not mistaken, what do I do? How do I fix this situation? And so we have to wait. So what you have to do as a business owner, you have to take responsibility for the things that have happened in your account. So what I did was, luckily for me, after I panicked, I started thinking, okay, so they got my card information. They're taking money out of my account. Is it attached to my affiliates account? Okay, so what I did was I went into the system. I went back to my training, and I listened to the video again about how to set up my account, my affiliates account. And what it showed me is that I had to go back to the like Stripe account. I had to go to the Stripe account, log into my Stripe account, and make sure that I had the correct bank information. If they could get to the banking information, then my account was compromised. But I called after I found out that the account was not compromised from my affiliates account. I had to then call the bank to make sure that the account, even though they got the card information, they didn't get my checking account information. So your Stripe account or your PayPal account or whatever affiliate accounts that you have, it should be linked directly to your bank account and not your card information. And so I'm grateful for the fact that my affiliate account wasn't attached to my card. You know how you can set up an account with your bank card? No, it's coming directly from your bank, and the bank have a way of checking things out, and they'll call you and let you know if anybody has compromised your account because of the way you do your transactions. So I just wanted to stop by and let you all know that there are common issues that actually happen with starting your home-based business, but you don't have to fret. You don't have to panic. You don't have to freak out about it. All you have to do is make sure that your affiliate account is linked up to a bank account, and that your cards, if you lose them, you don't have to panic. All you have to do is change your cards, and your affiliate account is going to make sure that you're still getting paid. It'll just be in your account, and you'll still be able to utilize those funds after you change or get new cards. So what I did with my bank, I canceled those cards, and they sent me out new cards via Federal Express. So all you have to do is just make sure that you cancel that account, and make sure those are cards, okay, not your affiliate account. You have to make sure that you cancel those cards, get new cards, but just know that you don't have to freak out or panic, because that information, your affiliate account, Stripe account, is connected to the actual banking number, routing number, and the account number. So I appreciate you all giving me the opportunity to come in and just give you that quick feedback about what happens if you feel like your account has been fraudulently compromised, or if it's been compromised at all. You want to make sure that you have your account, your affiliate account. With me, it was with Stripe. I just logged into my Stripe account, make sure I had the right information in there about what it is, what account I'm actually connected to, and if somebody, and ask the bank, if somebody used those cards, could they still get my checking information? So the answer was no. And so we're all set. So if you lose your bank cards, all you have to do is just call your bank, or if they catch it, you just cancel those cards, have them send you out new cards for your account. And remember that when you get attached to a platform like SSM, they give you step-by-step things to do so that you'll know that what you're doing is correct. So I'm grateful for SSM for knowing that I could go into my account and look at those videos, back to the members area, go back through those trainings, apply the information, and go back and check my account. Because I'm like, oh gosh, how in the world am I going to get to my Stripe account again? I don't. All the information, you write that stuff down at the very beginning. You log into your account. You go to the settings. Okay, click on settings, and then they have your banking information there. So you don't have to freak out and you don't have to worry. Everything is set up. So remember, as you go, and if you join us here with SSM, all you got to do is go to your members area and click on your Stripe account. Look at that video and it'll tell you, go to your Stripe account. So you go to stripe.com and they'll have all the information there, and in the training it tells you exactly what to do. So don't freak out. Know that your account is protected. Do what you need to do to keep moving forward, and I'll see you all over the top. God bless you. Have a beautiful day, and thank you for joining me, Kenneth and Floyd and Smiley. I love you. God bless you. Have a great day. See y'all later. Bye.